Hello everybody, here again I have three beautiful subtle toned suit sets which were of great demand the last time I posted them. I still have many of you inquiring on these sets, so I have had them restocked again. So as you can see, we have the similar three colors which were, each of these pieces were like in great demand last time, so I have them again here. So for those of you who have already seen them, you would know how the set goes, but for those who are new to the page and new to the video and this particular variety, here you go. I'm going to show you what this is all about. So here the dupatta is actually in slub linen, which are like real gorgeous dupattas which have come in the market these days. I really love the look of these dupattas, the prints that come on these dupattas and the colors. And the best part I like about them is they're very lightweight, and it gives you that real, that lovely look that you actually desire for any kind of suit set. And these also come in these these have these lovely light toned zeri weaving for the borders, and also we have these sequins weaving given at the ends of the dupatta. On both the ends we have these light sequins weaving. So basically you can team this dupatta with any of your silk plain tops. Like if you have some nice contrast silk tops and you want to wear them for a party or a small function, you can just pair this dupatta with that as well. At the same time, in this particular set we have this dupatta paired with a cotton top. Now this particular cotton top is also common in Saki. We getting good reviews on this. Now as you can see, this is not very see-through, but because this is a good, it's a nice set, you may want to do a lining with it so that it stays well and lasts long, but it is thick enough and it's not really see-through. Now this has a very a nice khadi look to this fabric. It's not khadi, it's cotton, but it has that nice khadi look to that top. So basically it's a very nice office wear. You can gift your loved ones, those who prefer light tones. And this shade is actually very difficult to tell you what shade this is, but a very gorgeous shade, guys. Very different, something that we don't see. And as you can see, this has a light tinge of lavender, very very light shade of lavender mixed with white. So it's a very earthy tone, a very beautiful subtle earthy tone. That's the top. It's a plain top. The bottom is in cotton silk, and this is the shade of the bottom. And here you go, this is the dupatta for this particular set. So basically this set is a combination of cotton top, cotton silk bottom, and slub linen dupatta. So this is your first combination. Absolutely gorgeous combination. Once again, for only those who love the light shades. Here you go, we have this gorgeous peach color. As you can see, it's a beautiful peach colored, again cotton top. The same thing, but combination is in with this lovely brown. It has a double shade of green also on this bottom. It's a very pretty bottom, cotton silk bottom. Top and dupatta is same as the one that I showed you before, just that it is matching to the color of the top. It's in the same floral printed slub linen dupatta with sequins weaving at the ends. Just too gorgeous, guys. The dupatta is absolutely gorgeous. You can actually keep matching them with different tops, and you can even use this because it's a plain top. You can actually use them with a different dupatta. You can play around with your creativity, and you can actually leave this top very simple, because this dupatta itself does the whole magic. It gives you that look that that you actually require. Team it up with some pearl jewelry, because it has it white. It will look very elegant and classy. Now if you are not a pearl person, you can also use a nice simple gold jewelry, because it has this gold zeri and the sequence weaving is in antique shade, so you can easily carry it off with some nice gold jewelry as well. So that's the second shade in peach. And the final, the most sought after color is the sea green, which has been the the best seller in the last set. Of course, all the three colors did sell out, but this was, as you can see, this was in much demand. Now I think in the video you might see more of a blue tone. It's a sea green shade. I would request you to take the look at the picture postings of these suits so that you get a better color of the sets. And so that's it. So I'm not explaining much on this. It's the same thing. It has a cotton top, cotton silk bottom, in a combination of sea green, and the dupatta is super gorgeous. It's super gorgeous in the same floral design and sequence weaving. So these are the 3 suit sets for you guys today. Very, very beautiful, elegant. If you're looking at something different for your wardrobe and something that can always be in trend forever, please go for it, because these are absolutely gorgeous.